Hey everyone, if you have a ton of stuff that you don't need and your things are in pretty good condition and even better, new, and still in the box unopened, the Mercari app is pretty popular and I'd put that right next to all the other selling apps out there. I personally have used it since 2016 and from my experience, I like it a lot and you can get great deals to buy things too. So how it works is you list your items that you want to sell and you can either have your buyer pay for shipping or you can ship it for free, but just include the shipping fee in your listing price. It's really easy to ship because Mercari creates a custom shipping label for you to print out and all you need to do is pack it and drop it off at your nearest post office or give it to the mailman if you're shipping USPS. Mercari does take a small fee from each order, but it's not as much as other apps. You can select the cheaper shipping vendor. It could be FedEx or UPS, so you can save more money. Once the item arrives at the buyer's place, they will rate you and vice versa, and you will get paid. It's safe and secure, and Mercari's shipping label has a fast tracking number so it knows when the buyer gets it. You get paid via direct deposit, and the minimum for the payout is $10. Anyway, it's super simple. Check out my link in the description box so you can get $10 off your first order or $20 when you make your first $100 selling on Mercari. This link is only good for a certain time, so I wish you luck and have fun shopping and selling.